The house and its setting. The house, located in Montrás, is strategically placed on a south-facing plot with a slight slope. Positioned at the higher part of the land, it maximizes space for a pool and various outdoor areas at the front. The primary design objective was to seamlessly integrate the house with the exterior, allowing rooms to open directly to the garden and visually connecting the interior spaces with the natural surroundings. Layout and structure. All main living areas are situated on the ground floor. With auxiliary spaces such as parking, storage, and utility rooms located in the basement. The ground floor is organized into two distinct volumes, positioned perpendicularly. This arrangement effectively captures the garden in all directions. One volume contains the living room, dining room, and kitchen. All oriented to the south with a porch in front, while the other volume houses the bedrooms and bathrooms, oriented to the south and east. These volumes are connected by an access core located in the intermediate zone, which opens onto a contemplative patio. Design and geometry. The house's layout is based on two rectangular forms, creating a permeable geometry through the use of patios and setbacks around the perimeter. These design elements result in small contemplative gardens, porches, and covered outdoor areas that blur the boundaries between the house and its surrounding environment. This design strategy fosters a continuous spatial relationship between the interior and the garden. Roof and facade. Local building regulations required a sloped roof, but the design aimed for a more contemporary appearance by incorporating openings and patios into the roof structure. A unifying 2.5-meter high band integrates the roof and the openings, making the sloped roof, finished with manually reclaimed tiles, recede into the background. The sloped roofs are designed with four sides, starting from the rectangle's exterior as the lowest point, and are interrupted by a series of patios. The facade of the house combines large dry stone walls from the local area with a sape mortar finish in natural, sand-like colors. These materials help blend the house seamlessly into its environment. Interior design. Inside the house, the design leverages the height provided by the sloped roof in the main rooms, exposing the wooden ceilings to enhance the sense of space. Materials like lime stucco on interior walls, dry stone walls extending into the house, and oakwood slats contribute to a traditional Mediterranean aesthetic. The open and modern layout of the interior spaces ensures continuous views of the garden and patios from various vantage points within the house. Outdoor and indoor flooring. Exterior garden paths, ramps, and car access areas are made of stained concrete and solid solo. Both the interior flooring of the house and the flooring in outdoor living areas are made from the same natural stone, creating a cohesive and unified appearance that extends from inside the house to the garden and other outdoor spaces.